Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix battery is drain issue on your iPhone after iOS 17.1.2 update, which is happening for a few users right now, and how we can fix it. So let's dive into this. The first one is all about when you're having this trouble. The first step is all about make sure there is no apps are running in the background. So if you're running a lot of apps in the background, then you will be having this issue. So the first step, you have to cross-check if any kind of apps are running in the background, for example like this. So if you very recently opened many things, just go over here like this so that you can see there are a lot of things running in the background. Just clear it all, and you have to make sure that you have cleared it all. Once afterwards, you have to check whether you are still having the drop in the battery. Next one is all about, the next step is all about we have to update all the apps of your iPhone. Pending updates might be an issue. In order to update it, first make sure that you're connected to the internet. So let me connect this iPhone to the Wi-Fi. Once afterwards, you have to go to the App Store. Now from here, when you go to the App Store, what you need to do is just tap over here at the profile icon at the top right. Tap on this particular one. And now from here, as you can see, there is an option. These are the apps, which is WhatsApp Business, and all these are the apps which is on my phone. So what I need to do is, in order to update it one by one, what I need to do is I just need to tap on update all over here, so that all the apps on your iPhone by default will be up to date. So you'll not be having the trouble, because sometimes me running the older versions which can even cause, while you're using, that might cause the battery drain issue. So make sure that you updated it all, and once you're done with the updating all the apps, you have to check whether you are having the issue or not. Next one is all about, even try with this, if the issue is still there, we can try with force restart your iPhone. So in order to do a force restart on your iPhone, you have to press the volume up followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So just press the volume up followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button like this. Now you need to press and hold this unless and until you see the Apple logo. Now it is turned it off. Just wait a little bit more. So right now you will be able to see the Apple logo. Now what we need to do is we just need to wait, because your iPhone has to get completely loaded up. So it is going to take a lot of time, not a lot of time, a little bit of time. So just wait for it. Now it has been completely turned on. Now what we need to do is we just need to go over here, give the respective passcode, and you have to check whether the issue is solved. Still, if you are having the issue, the next one is update your iPhone to the latest available OS. So if you're having any kind of update, just update to the latest OS. Go over here in the settings. Now from here, go to the general, go for software update, and just update the OS. So if you're already in iOS 17.1.2, then the next patch has to roll out. So if you're available for the next patch, just update it, or else you just need to wait for the official versions to roll out. So this is what we have to do. So these possible workarounds can be done when you're having an issue with battery drain issue on iOS 17.1.2. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.